What's up, Fit Fam? It is Danny here with Six Pack Abs, and that is exactly what our goal is today, to work on that six pack. It's a beautiful day to get outside, and this is a great workout to do outdoors, poolside, or anywhere you feel comfortable. We're gonna do a 10-minute AMRAP, so that means you're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes and do as many rounds of this ab circuit as you can possibly do. And keep in mind, while I want you to bump up the intensity, I also want you to focus on form, because form is important overall. So let's get to it and go over what these exercises are today. We're gonna start with a side V-up. So you are going to be on the ground and you're going to be on your side. You're not rolled back on one cheek, you're rolled forward with your hand that's closest to the ground on the ground in front of you. Your other hand is gonna be on top of your head to start. But when we lift up for the V, we're gonna aim that hand for the foot. Exhaling up, inhaling down, squeezing the obliques like you've never squeezed before. You're gonna do 10 repetitions on one side and then roll over and hit the other side for another 10 reps. Our second exercise today is a knee tuck and twist. So you're gonna get into the plank position. In a plank, you're gonna alternate driving the knee in and then twisting the hips, targeting both the abdominals and the obliques. Remember to keep your shoulders over elbows and elbows over wrists. You're going to make sure that you complete 20 repetitions, alternating sides. Our third exercise today is a lying leg raise. So you're gonna get flat on your back, and you're gonna place your hands under your low back or butt, wherever you feel the most support for your lower back. Feet are dorsiflex, so point those toes up to the sky, and you're gonna relax your neck, bringing your legs up and then back down, but not touching the ground with those feet. At that point, the abs are relaxed, and that is not what we want. Exhale up, inhale down, and squeeze it to achieve it. And again, that is a 20 rep exercise right there. Our last exercise today is the jackknife. Again, you're gonna get flat on your back. And for this exercise, you're gonna have a slight bend in both knees, feet dorsiflex, so toes pointing up towards the sky, hands behind your head, and you're gonna alternate driving the knee in and aiming your hand for your heel. Exhale up, inhale down. 20 reps alternating, so fast count. So most of us already know that our abs are made in the kitchen, but it's still important that we work them separate from other lifts that we do. Our core is involved in absolutely everything we do, from walking, running, to squatting with a barbell on your back. So it's really important that you take the time to work on them by themselves, to keep them strong and to keep your body an able body. Well, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you are ready to hit this workout really hard. Again, this is an AMRAP, so you want to do as many rounds as you possibly can. So if you enjoyed as much as I do, make sure that you click the like button, comment how you feel about this workout in the comments below, share it with those you love, and hit the notification bell in the corner so that you can be notified anytime Six Pack Abs puts up an awesome workout for you.